Hey, do you want to know how to edit? Here's the best tips and tricks on how to edit. Number 1, just cut everything. You want to keep it simple but fast paced. You don't want to have your clip 5 to 10 minutes long. Every silent moment, cut it, delete it, and spit on it. It's just disgusting. The reason why is because you don't want to have your viewers be bored out of their mind and click off the video you're making. Here's an example of what not to do.
No, it's not. You're using your knee. You're using your knee. You can't do that. Use one hand. Look at you. You can't do it.
See, this is boring. You don't want to watch this. You want to click off and go watch another video. Here's what you want to do.
Bro, I can just kill Flatboy right now.
Do it, Ray. I want you to. Do it. Oh, wait, you can't yourself.
I was trying to kill it. Wait, Ray, did you kill yourself?
I killed him.
Why did you do that? Why did you do that, Ray? Ray, that shows how bad you are, man.
What?
You're bad. You're actually bad, Ray.
Now, this is what you want. It's a short clip, and there's no silent moments. It makes sense.
Wait, you killed Malik?
Yeah.
Number 2, you want to have a story or end goal. For every clip, just get to the punchline, basically cause and effect. Number 3, shortcuts. It's the best way to edit insanely fast. If you have a Premiere, just go to the edit module, then click shortcuts. A new menu will pop up. You can change these shortcuts in this tab right here. For an example, I want the razor tool to be an F key instead of the C. Click on the X right here, and then add what you want in that shortcut. And you can have shortcuts on your mouse too. I'm using the G502. I can program all 11 programmable buttons on the G Hub app for any app I have. Number 4, don't edit one clip consistently. If you focus on one clip, you would waste time on that specific clip. And you keep watching that 10-minute clip over and over, you would waste hours of time. Have a system of editing a video. How I do it is the cuts, audio, music, transitions, then the subtitles. Number 5, set an alarm for every 2 hours. You always want to take breaks when you're editing. If you don't, you become frustrated and tired. Go grab a snack or something and take a break. The project will always be there. Bonus tip, autosave. It can help save a lot of time, especially when the software goes bonkers. What I know is DaVinci and Premiere has autosave in their software. I put a link in the description of how to do it. Comment down below if you have any questions. Subscribe for more and like the video.
I keep seeing demons when I close my eyes.